Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film myself kind of doing a little pickup of my bottom half of my house. So I mentioned in my previous video that we actually own this house, but it is very, very small. And when I say very small, I mean the only two rooms downstairs are our very long, awkward living room with like minimal light, and our kitchen, which also is where we eat with our table. So you guys will see that in more videos, so just putting that out there now. I don't live in the most Instagram worthy house, but I am a real human, so I know that there's other people out there that are super relatable and have similar situations. So anyways, it didn't take too long to do the cleaning today. I basically just picked up toys and stuff in the living room, which you guys will see, you know, toddler baby life, there's toys everywhere. And then I spent the majority of the time cleaning the kitchen, and the only thing that I didn't get to do was actually take everything out of the refrigerator and like wipe all the racks and stuff down, because that gets gross. So I didn't get to do that due to lack of time, somebody waking up. And then I also didn't get to vacuum and mop, which I wasn't going to vacuum because my kids were asleep and I wasn't trying to wake them up, although they woke up anyways. But I'm going to try to vacuum and mop at least this weekend. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. This is kind of the type of videos that I watch, so I knew this is really what I wanted my content to kind of be like. So if you guys like this video, I would really appreciate it. I would really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe if you want. That would mean the world to me. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon. So a couple things. I'm going to try to keep it down if I talk through this video, because I am actually filming this while my kids are asleep. It's really my only time to do stuff like this, so I'm going to try to keep it down. But I just wanted to note that I want to vacuum and mop my floors, but I won't be able to do it in this shot because they're asleep, and I'm afraid if I vacuum it might wake them up. So I'm definitely going to be vacuuming and mopping because it desperately needs it, but just not right now. And then I'm also going to take a quick lunch break while I have the chance. If you know, you know. 2 kids, 2 and under. it's chaotic. So I'm gonna eat really quick, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna try to wipe off my stainless steel appliances because they're looking kind of frumpy right now. And then another thing I want to try to do is straighten up the top of my refrigerator and possibly clean out the inside of my refrigerator. Hoping I have time. I have about an hour and 45 minutes to do that, or to finish everything. And then once I get done with in here, I want to go in there and straighten up, but it's really nothing too crazy, just picking up toys and such. But yeah, I'm gonna take a quick break.